Mu Sigma has been a once-in-a-lifetime experience of learning, experimentation and growth. Every interaction, be it project-related or with my team, or even just a casual conversation with my colleagues, offers unique learning opportunities through interesting and diverse perspectives.
Mu Sigma has showed me what leadership truly is. A unique culture of learning has allowed me to experiment with ideas, explore unknown paths, and collaborate to find innovative solutions. Leading my own team has also taught me the importance of creating an ideal environment for ideas to thrive.
Mu Sigma's culture of learning, where we apply what we learned into our daily work and constantly share this knowledge with others, has provided the perfect environment for me to grow as a leader. I can't wait to see what's more in store for me here.